one Korean affirmation. So I've been talking about something like I couldn't do anything because, but I also want to say today that it is okay to not do anything in Korean. So how do we say it? So just repeat after me. 아무것도 못해도 괜찮아. 아무것도 못해도 괜찮아. Giving birth and being in that postpartum stage, I realized I really couldn't do anything, right? Like even just walking around was so painful. And I thought I could do something like creating content on this free time, supposedly free. But I really physically couldn't do anything, and I felt so bad about myself one moment. But then again, like, it's not the amount of work I put into that determines my self-worth, just the fact that I exist, right? It brings the meaning of the self-worth. So it was a great experience for me to reflect on that and really be able to finally realize, I am valuable because I simply exist. That's it for today.